Welcome to day 1 of our 30-day challenge to speak fluently in English. Today, we will focus on building your vocabulary. Having a good vocabulary is essential for effective communication in English. We've partnered with Words Classes, an online vocabulary learning platform, to bring you a list of 20 essential English words that you can learn today. To learn these words, download the Words Classes app and create a free account. Once you're in the app, search for the Essential English Words, Day 1 course and start learning. To make the most of this exercise, repeat the words out loud as you learn them, and try to use them in sentences to help you remember them better. As you learn these words, write them down in your notebook and review them regularly to help you remember them. The Words Classes offers additional exercises and quizzes to help you reinforce your learning and test your knowledge. By focusing on building your vocabulary, you'll be better equipped to express yourself in English and understand others when they speak. Thank you for joining us for day 1 of our 30-day challenge to speak fluently in English. Stay tuned for more tips and exercises to help you improve your language skills. Happy learning!